In 2025, interior design embraces individuality, function, and creativity. Start by integrating DIY elements like hand-painted decor or repurposed furniture, adding a personal touch to your space. Multifunctional furniture is essential for maximizing smaller areas, so invest in pieces like extendable tables or sofas with hidden storage. Bold color choices dominate this year. Consider deep greens, rich blues, or warm terracottas for walls, accents, or furniture. Pair these shades with neutral tones to create balance. Sustainability is key. Opt for eco-friendly materials such as reclaimed wood or recycled fabrics. Layer textures like velvet, linen, and woven rugs to add depth and warmth. Statement lighting, like oversized pendant lamps or sculptural fixtures, becomes the centerpiece of modern rooms. Finally, incorporate smart home features, blending technology with style. By following these trends, you can craft a vibrant, functional, and trendy space that reflects 2025's design ethos.